See, that's what we should see. All right, here's the nails that go into the heel.
That's right.
And
as long as you learn from your mistakes, that's all
work
that
on
matters.
this. I don't know, there's 5 nails here, and I would have thought maybe they would have been a little bit bigger, but they are on the franks anyway.
The keys are wetting.
I don't know if anyone's had a problem with the heels coming off on the WESCOs. I don't know, but I mean, there's plenty of other nails here, and it looks like they go all the way through. Well, I can tell you they go all the way through because you can see the holes there. So this right here is the leather lineman shank, and again, you can see, I mean, there is a lot of glue in here. So, you know, and again, we've got some scoring here. It doesn't look like it's quite as heavy as what you get on the franks, but it's definitely more than what's on the JK. So yeah, I mean, I'm okay with what I'm seeing so far, but we'll just kind of go on from here. And so I guess I should mention, my wife pointed this out to me, so you got some context here. I'm gonna have Frank's rebuild this for me because their arch is what I'm used to wearing like all the time, and I try and wear these, and I can't make it go 12 hours. I can make it go like maybe 5 or 6. So that's the reason I'm having them do it. All right, and there's a lot of nails in there. So, and I'm sure the steel shank must be under this, I'm guessing. It's not. And there's the metal shank. You can see that there. And again, there's a lot of glue in here. And then here's the underside of that. Again, you know, a lot. So, you know, or more than what I found in the JK. The JK was just, it was pathetic actually. But yep, I mean, this is what you're looking for when, you know, you want to make sure that the materials are glued in properly. It's nailed here as well. You can see the nails. So we'll go ahead and get this upper off, and then this one will pretty much be done. I don't know if I'm going to find anything else. It looks like there's a pad underneath here, and this one will probably be done. But you know, I'm happy with it. I'm you know, not upset at all about my decision to get this boot. So I'd recommend them. All right, so I'd be interested to know if these are driven in by machine or driven in by hand. I'm just curious more than anything else, because I mean, these nails over here are definitely, you know, have nailed the upper into footbed. But anyway, it's definitely, you know, these are, but these here are not really, you know, it looks like they just got cut off when they trimmed this. But I mean, there's no problem here. It's not like it's coming apart. And there's a lot of them. I mean, there's quite a few nails in there. But I'm just curious if there's a machine that does that or if that's done by hand. That I cannot answer. I'll see if I can't get an answer, or maybe someone from WESCO or someone that knows about that can weigh in. And the WESCO has, this is the outsole. And again, you can see some scoring there. Not as pronounced maybe as the Franks, although it is close. And this is your midsole. And there's a lot of nails in there. Now this does not have a slip sole either, so to speak. So, but they've got a lot of nails in there. You can see there's a lot of scoring there too, to assist in the gluing or the bonding. And this is your insole, and there is a metal shank, steel shank, and a lineman shank, which is an additional piece that goes beneath the heel. And then you've got the nails for the heel. And this has the plate on it as well. And then this is the counter, which I think they call a styrotherm. So there you go, kind of gives you an idea.